lot. Roll for a 12 swat. Buzzing all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put a stick in the box. The whole damn field, I'ma get lazy. I got the
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Days Chasing Cars. I'm here with the Snow Camo A3, and today I'm going to be talking about my exhaust setup. My exhaust costs around $800. It's completely custom, as you'll be able to tell just by looking, because this is an A3 with two pipes on each side. The Quattro usually has one on each side, and the front wheel drive usually just has two on one side and nothing on the other. I got them quadded to match the diffuser and also just look more aggressive in general. As you can see right here, both of the pipes are functional. I'm not just flexing quad pipes without them working. The giant muffler that's usually here is gone. The resonator that's usually deep back there is also gone. And you wouldn't be able to see, but the secondary cat, which is almost towards the front of the car before the downpipe, is also missing. So the car is basically straight piped right now. Resonator delete, muffler delete, and secondary cat delete. Now I'm going to throw in some clips of what this exhaust setup sounds like. And I would also like to give a shout out to ARS Garage, because his YouTube video helped me discover the best sounding exhaust for the Audi A3, which is this one for sure. And he also is running it on his car, so check out ARS Garage as well. I'll link him in the description. Now for the clips of how this exhaust sounds. I promise you a tutorial on how to do that is coming soon. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos with the Snow Camo A3. I already have a few up on my channel that I will link after this video. And that's it for this one. Bye.